This is TWiT.
So I got the Surface Duo 2 last Thursday, I believe. Here it is.
And that is a white. Is that, what do you call it? Platinum?
This is Glacier. Also known
Oh
as
my
white.
goodness. Do you feel just so productive with that hinge? Doesn't it just make you
look more
live in
productive
another
holding it.
world.
I bet it's lappable. It's easily lappable.
Trying to show you how much the camera bump stands up.
Yeah.
Here's the camera bump. So when you fold it over, this is what it looks like with the camera bump. Gives it a little space.
It's like a
That I
bookmark in a
don't
book.
enjoy.
No, not enjoyable. But not as horrible as I thought. Also, like everyone's like, "Oh, that camera bump thing's gonna be terrible, right?" And it's not that annoying. It's got a really beautiful screen. The camera is really great. But when I reviewed the Surface Duo 1, I mean, it's not as great as like the Google cameras, but compared to the camera that was in it before, it's vastly improved. Problem with the camera is you have to hold your phone like this to take a picture, right?
Yeah, right.
You can't take it the normal way. So it's a little cumbersome and you have to figure out how to press the camera button while you're holding the phone that way. A little weird. I hate the gestures. I'm so hateful on the gestures. I shut off Android gestures, but they're still there. I hate the gestures so much.
Right.
Yeah, I don't like it. Trying to get away from the screen so I can show you the screens. But yeah, I've got to spend a lot more time with it to see if they fix the software, because when I reviewed the Duo 1, my biggest problem wasn't the hardware. The hardware is beautiful. I mean, it's awesome. And they've made the hinge even tighter. You're going to be able to display notifications, a little kind of like glow-in-the-dark icons here, so you can see, I have a notification on Twitter. I have a notification on Microsoft Mail here. So that you don't have to actually, they had that feature in the old one, peek. You have to actually open your phone. What good is that, right? But here's the screen, if you can see this.
Yeah, so you got notifications on on the other screen, which is kind of neat.
Yeah.
It just turned off, unfortunately. But
I'm like, there. Yeah.
So this is still kind of like Microsoft launcher style. It's like the Microsoft, their own kind of Android or whatever.
Yeah, it is kind of like that. Again, I need to try running apps side by side. I wasn't a big believer in that making me more productive last year, but I'm going to give it a chance. I have 60 days till I have to return this, so I'm definitely going to try it out. It's a super cool device. It's really nice, but I need a reason for it. I already get I'm getting the Pixel Pro 6. It's coming Monday. Not that I'm that excited.
You have to think the Pixel Pro 6 is going to make you forget all about this thing. Yeah. This is the problem. Yeah.
I know. Yeah. I guess I like that they're experimenting still. I feel like this is truly a Generation 2 device so far from my very, very limited testing of it. And, what they always say is Microsoft doesn't make a good device till it's in the third generation. I have a feeling that's going to be true of this. But I'm still doing a wait and see. I'll give you more details as I use it more.
Clearly improved, at least.
Definitely improved over the first version. A lot of people who have review units kind of had that as their observation. It's like, hey, they really fixed a lot of things, not just the camera, but it's still not something I pay $1,500 for, because why?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how are you using it? Have you put your SIM card in it? Are you trying to give it the old college try?
I'm going to. Yeah. I have a SIM in it that's not my regular SIM right now, but I need to put my own SIM in it and try to make it my, daily driver. Mm-hmm. It's just hard because I can do everything so much faster and better and more efficiently on a single screen, because that's just how that's how I use a phone, right?
Right.
It's just hard to make yourself think about, dual screen, because you don't use it the same way you use like a clamshell laptop because of the size, right? But you also don't use it the same way you use a phone. So
yeah, it's some weird in between.
The camera is way better. The Grey Wolf 123 in the Discord is saying that it's so much better camera. It is. I still notice a lag in the camera, but again, I haven't tweaked all the settings. He's saying the camera's snappier. I took a really quick picture of Sriracha with it, and it was good, but like my Google Pixel 3 XL takes a better picture. Right. Mm-hmm. And that's an old phone, right? So.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm encouraged that they've made improvements. I'm discouraged that they haven't made more improvements, but.
What things would you like to see? Like what
how
would make
a
it
bumper
better?
that evens out that bump?
That would be nice.
So
yeah,
I have the bumper, but I don't want to attach the bumper because then I won't be able to return it. Because when you put the bumper on, it's got like sticky stuff that holds it onto the phone, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the other thing. Then, if you want to return it, you have to be very careful with it. So making it your daily driver would be kind of difficult.
Right.
Right.
Like I said, I'm gonna try it. I have a feeling I'm not gonna try it a lot. I just mostly wanted to see how much they had improved it.
Sure.
They have definitely improved it. It's much better than the first version. Grey Wolf saying the OS is snappier. It is. Although I hate the gestures. Despise. I hate Android gestures. The first thing I do is I make sure I never use them. Like, horrible.
Have you? Oh, really? So you mean Android? So have you upgraded to Android 12 on your Pixel 3?
No,
XL?
I have not.
You haven't, and you don't use gesture navigation.
No, I hate gestures.
Oh, Mary Jo, we gotta have a talk someday.
No, come on. Back button, home button, guys. This is how the deities meant us to use phones.
Wow. Well, unfortunately, it's kind of going this direction.
I know. I hope they let me keep turning them off because I don't like them. I'm also somebody who doesn't use what do you call it? The swipe typing on keyboards.
Swipe typing,
Oh God, I hate swipe typing.
You do? Good. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good.
We're there. I'm with you there.
I can't type anyway. It doesn't matter. I have to use my voice. I can't type to save my life.
Yeah.
I just told my wife this week, like I am resigned that this is never happening. Like we're how many years in are you? I mean, I got an iPhone in 2007. It's not happening. let's just agree. This is passing me by. I can't. It's just not happening.
You just mean mobile
if I haven't
typing,
figured it out yet, it's just not. It's not happening. It's just we're done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how fast I type on a computer, but it's really fast. On a mouse, I look like one of those people that doesn't know where the keys are. Like I can't, or the phone rather. I just can't do it.
Yeah. So more to come. I'm going to do a real review, like I do these mini non-reviewers reviews, as I call them, like normal people reviews. Yeah. So I will do one.
And that's why I think your opinion about this is valuable, right? Because they're going to whoever that person is in the forum there, not to, and I'm not making fun of them or criticizing them, but technical people who can do this and want to go in this direction. I'm glad that it works for them, but it's more interesting to me how this impacts the normal. You've been using Android for years. You're used to it. I mean, is this better, worse, whatever? And I think that viewpoint is very important.
Yeah, I'm happy to share it. I just need more time.
Right. Good. Okay.
Very well. We shall give you more time, as much as you need. Well,
thanks.
I guess 60 days.
60. You have 60 days, Mary Jo. The clock is ticking.
Yep. It is.
That's a lot of time, though. That's pretty good.
It is. I know. It's nice.
Yeah.